Welcome to our video where I will show you how drinking coffee is the key to longevity. Let's get into it, shall we? Did you know the centuries-old ritual of drinking coffee actually has numerous health benefits if consumed correctly? Over the past several years, we have seen coffee consumption explode, and with it, many different ways to take your coffee. Non-fat half-calf vanilla latte, anyone? French press double cream and sugar? Cold brew? If not taken correctly, the regular consumption of coffee can negatively affect our health. After following the effects and habits of coffee consumption in more than 500,000 people over 20 years in Norway, the European Journal of Preventative Cardiology found out that moderate consumption of filtered coffee offers a lesser risk of cardiovascular mortality. According to researchers, drinking filtered coffee seems to help avoid diseases and premature death, and can even increase longevity. On the other hand, unfiltered coffee is the most dangerous way of consuming coffee, according to the study, because it contains substances that increase cholesterol in the blood. Unfiltered methods like espresso, French press, and Turkish coffee usually involve letting the coffee rest in hot water for a long period. The lowest mortality rate was found in people who drank 1 to 4 small cups of coffee a day. How do you like your coffee? Share in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.